Hello, friends. Very often in the comments, you ask me to share quick recipes that are easy to make, look beautiful, taste amazing, and most importantly, are almost carb free. Today is exactly that kind of recipe. It takes only about 15 minutes to prepare, but the result will surprise you. Today, we are making squid in the shape of pine cones, tender, juicy, and incredibly appetizing. The star of today's video is squid tubes. For 2 servings, 4 to 5 pieces are enough, but you can adjust the quantity based on your appetite. These squid are often served in Asian restaurants, especially in China, valued for their unique look and delicate taste. We will recreate that restaurant effect at home without unnecessary complexity. Squid should be thawed in advance, then cut the tube lengthwise, remove the inner membranes and any tough parts to ensure nothing interferes while eating. The tube should be perfectly clean. This is key to a tender texture. Take a very sharp, preferably long knife and score the surface at a 45 degrees angle. Be careful not to cut all the way through. The opposite side must remain intact. The closer the cuts, the more beautifully the pine cone will open. First, make cuts in one direction, then perpendicular to form diamonds. This pattern will turn into an impressive pine cone shape during frying. Repeat the process with all tubes, then cut each into 5 to 6 pieces for easy serving and frying. Imagine lowering these prepared pieces into hot oil and watching them curl into miniature masterpieces. This moment is always impressive. Now prepare the garnish and sauce ingredients: garlic, hot chili pepper, a few cherry tomatoes, a small baby corn cob, only 5 g of carbs per can, some olive and sesame oil, fresh ginger, a few drops of Tabasco, and 13 to 15 milliliters of freshly squeezed orange juice with a quarter of a lime's juice. All these ingredients will add aroma and freshness while keeping carbs under 1 g per serving. Any vegetables can be used: broccoli, romanesco, carrots, green beans. Color and texture are what matter most. Green beans must be blanched for a couple of minutes to remove natural toxins present when raw. Start heating vegetables in one pan, as they take slightly longer to cook than squid. Use olive oil, a bit of salt, and ground ginger. In another pan, heat olive oil over high heat, then add 2 to 3 teaspoons of sesame oil for aroma. Use enough oil so the squid sears instantly, locking in the juices. These healthy fats are beneficial. Place the squid in the oil. After 40-60 seconds, they will start curling into pine cones. Add garlic so it cooks alongside the squid and immediately add the rest: Tabasco to taste, chili, cherry tomatoes, lightly blanched vegetables, orange juice, and lime juice. You can add a bit of soy sauce, reducing the salt. This creates a richer, more distinctly Asian taste. After just 1.5 to 2 minutes, the squid are fully cooked, white, tender, and juicy. This is one of the most delicious squid dishes you can try. Even in high-end restaurants, they are rarely served this tender and vibrant. Serve the squid with vegetables, drizzling them with the pan juices. This is not just a sauce, but a concentrated burst of flavor. Garnish with green onion, cilantro, or sprinkle with black sesame for contrast. Just 10-15 minutes and you have a dish that looks restaurant-worthy, yet fits perfectly into a low-carb diet. The secret is in the scoring and quick searing. If you want to impress guests or treat yourself to something special, try this method. You will want to make squid like this every time. Enjoy your meal. If you are watching this video while eating, give it a like, leave a comment, and share your own squid making experience. See you in the next recipes. Recipe taken from the channel Keto and Low Carb Recipes.